Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. They're a very unique car. It's a 1968 Accord. It's built on a 1968 Mustang. 302 under the hood. Automatic transmission. This particular model has air conditioning, power steering, manual brakes. They call it a Warrior. Built on a tube chassis. Rebuilt carburetor. Runs good, but it's a little bit of a project. New tires. Paint's showing its age with some blistering here and there, as well as the chrome hitting. Motor starts up and runs real good. Also has power windows. It's basically a Ford Mustang under here. The parts are really cheap. It's like an Econoline front end. It's simple. Suicide doors. Manual top, little jump seat in the back. Wood wheel. Showing 11,613 miles. Could be over. Really cool Stewart gauges. The green line ones just started to reproduce these, so they're kind of expensive. Power windows. The passenger side switch is broken. Driver's side works. As you can see, there's a lot of patina in this car. I'm not asking a ton of money either, so. Little jump seat in the back. Looks original to me. Kind of just unhooks here and pops down. Cool exhaust. A nice sound to it. Woo. It's cold today. Only about 30 degrees here today. Apologize about the wind too. New battery. Real solid underneath. Some blistering in the paint. See it ripple. Not everywhere, just here and there. Some chips, scratches, things. Hood looks good. Blistering there too. Probably do the front. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.